Next is, this is supposed to be three pieces. Three pieces CCTV cam, tapos milk. Three pieces, tapo C200 C 1080p Full HD, motion detect and tracking, person detection, baby crying, night vision up to 40 feet. So yeah, this is an original one. I bought this sa Laz Mall na official tapo store. Well, you can buy it a lot. There's a lot of websites that carry this brand. So, okay. Preparaw lang ito. Tama. Hindi ko pala maalala. Oh, this. Oh, right. I've included a memory card sa package. Yan, ito yung kasama niya. Lexar 32 gig. It's a micro SD HC UHS-1. So, ang alam ko kasi specific din yung ganito, memory card, hindi pwedeng kung ano-ano lang na micro SD kasi baka hindi niya basahin. So, kaya para sure bumili, just to be sure, I bought it with they offered a package that includes the memory card and camera. Okay, let's open one. So, you can see the components are camera, the AC, Torx screws for cement. I think this is the guide. Let's see, the guide and the manual. The guide where you should open. There you go. Okay, so setup guide with braille on it. Okay. So this is the guide. So you put it in the wall or in the ceiling where you want to put the camera and put the screws there. Okay, let's good. That's nice, guys. So this is the camera. I actually have one already installed. This is the where you will put that, hang it with this. Choop. Choop. So there you go. This is the camera. There's a speaker. I used to speak to everyone at the house if I would want to, if I can see them within camera range. So this is the power. You see. So there you go. Let me show you what kind of app it uses. It uses the Tapo app. That Tapo app. Okay. So there. Wait. There. You can see it and you can hear it. That's our kusina. That's our kitchen. So there you go. And there's our sala. It's so dirty. And you can talk. Sorry, it's loading. You have the talk button, the pan and tilt. So you can tilt it. I have settings. The viewpoints where I can just click it and it will pan to that. And there's also patrol. Can patrol horizontal, vertical, and there's an alarm. I didn't set it. It's not enabled. Anyway. So there's also privacy mode. Okay, I clicked it. So the privacy mode can't. Well, it's in private, so can't see it. There's a Tapo Care. Tapo Care is, I think, cloud, but there. It's a subscription-based cloud. So I'm not using it though. I have memory card, so I don't need it. So you can also play back. So it should have micro SD, but I don't know why it's not detecting it. Anyway, so that's it.